Hey there, DIYers. Welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box?
What's in the box?
So let's see what we got today. So I ordered more stuff from TEMU, and see, this looks like something I had ordered for my shop, or actually it's for this channel. Yep. Can't believe, so it just came in this little, it's a sign. It didn't come in anything to help keep it from getting bent, but looks like it did not get bent. So it says, this is where things get done eventually. So I thought that was a little comical, but yeah, that'll be, when I get my actual studio set up, this will be one of the things that'll be back behind, because this definitely applies to me. I'm not a procrastinator, but I don't know, I get around to getting things done eventually, right? I got this this box. Oh, so I paid, what, under $3 for this. And so it's a nice metal sign. Seems like pretty good durability. That's not, I'd say it's got a little bit of a contour to it, but it's not a big deal. So it'll just be hanging on my wall. Okay, then I got this package here. Now this package, I bought this off of TEMU as well, and this cost me under $13. I think it was like $12.26. Looks like I got some assembly to do with this one. It's got 6 casters. Yep, if I can count. It's got some multiple pieces. Engraved. Basically what this is it's a convertible little stool. As you can see, so it goes from being a flatbed that you're laying on to work underneath a vehicle or whatever, to then you're sitting on some stool. So let me get this assembled and I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll be wrapped up. Alright, so as you can see, it didn't take too much to assemble. Obviously the tools that they provided were not adequate to put it together. You actually needed a 13 and a 14 millimeter for these, because it's just those little ones are just ridiculous trying to do it. But for being under 13 bucks, I would say I would match this probably, you know, I'd consider it more like a Harbor Freight quality. So this material is, you know, it's I mean, for being under 13 bucks, you know, you can't expect a whole lot. So this foam in here is sliding, and it's just being held on by this feels like a pleather, or, you know, faux leather. And again, it's just stapled on into, so there's like a wood backing that I don't know, it's about a 3/4 inch foam is what they're using. So it's not like super quality, but, you know, again, for what it is. All right, so looking at it as it is, so it's got basically the wheels here for it to be a lay down. So you're laying down, heads obviously there, and then it can convert. Now this is very inexpensive, very cheap, and actually I had the spring pop out on me already once, so I adjusted it and it's working better now. But anyway, so you pull this little release lever here, and then this will come up, and then the pin resets back in, so then that's there. And then there's also another pin here that you pull out, and then that allows this to pull down, and then that in fact goes like that. So then it's like a little bench you can sit on, and so then you can wheel around and sit and have, so it's like a 2-in-1. It's lay down and then little workbench so you're sitting, which I can find that actually is pretty convenient. What I had before was just a bench, and I had to, you know, it didn't have casters on it, so this is going to be nice to sit and kind of wheel around to the different things I'm working on. So hey, you know, for under 13 bucks, I'm not going to complain. And the fact that I think that I should be able to get some decent use out of this, I'm going to call it a win, at least until it breaks. So I think overall I'm pretty happy with this. I can't, again, for 13 bucks, can't ask for too much. So it is what it is, as they say. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time,